Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Steam account. To create a new Steam account, first of all launch open your Steam application on your device, and once you end up in this sign in section, tap on Don't Have a Steam Account button at the bottom. This will take you to your sign up process on a web. Go ahead and enter a valid email address you have access to create an account. Confirm your email address by typing it down once again. Once you are done, select your country of residence from the drop-down. Click on I am human box and then check on the square box at the bottom that ensures that you are 13 years of age or older and tap continue. You'll now need to check your email inbox for the email address that you just provided. Go ahead and open up your email service provider's inbox. You'll receive an email from Steam. Click it open. Now, tap on Verify my email address. Soon after you do that, you will be able to verify your email address. Now return back to the creation page or tab and then create a Steam account name for yourself at the top. Make sure you type in the name that is available. After typing the available name, go to the next field and type in a password for yourself. After choosing a strong password, re-enter the new password in the last field. Finally, click on Done at the bottom. Wait until your Steam account is created. And there you have it. You have successfully created a Steam account. Now you can get back to your Steam app and then enter your Steam account's name and then your recently created password in the password field and click on Sign In. Now, you'll need to go ahead and enter a verification code sent to you via email on the next page. Go ahead and get to your email inbox and enter the code that you received. Click on Sign In when done. And there you go. That is how you create a new account on Steam. Allow necessary permissions and then you can also add an authenticator once you are done creating an account. You can do this later by going back and there you have your home page for Steam. Now you can browse the store, add friends and play games. You've successfully created a Steam account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.